In this video, we'll walk you through how to use YouTube's Live Control Room. Live Control Room lets you set up and manage live streams from your desktop. To create or schedule a stream, click the Create icon at the top of the page, then Go Live. This will lead you to the Live Control Room, which centralizes all of YouTube's live streaming tools into one destination. As the first step, Live Control Room lets you determine when and how you want to stream. There are a few options for you to choose from when it comes to desktop streaming. You can choose to set up and go live now or schedule a stream for a later time. And you can choose to go live with your webcam or with streaming software, which is also known as an encoder. If it's your first time streaming, you'll see these options after selecting Go Live. If you choose to stream using streaming software or an encoder, here's what you'll need to know. First, let's walk through what you need to do if you want to stream right now using streaming software. If it's your first time streaming with Live Control Room, you'll first be led to create a new stream. You'll be asked to add a title, choose your stream's privacy setting, add a description, choose a stream category, add a thumbnail, and choose your audience setting. And if your channel is monetizing, you'll also be able to choose your stream's monetization settings. Once you add all this info, click Create Stream. From here, you'll be led to your stream dashboard from the Stream tab. Here you can edit your stream's metadata at any time by clicking Edit. Under Stream Settings, a stream key will be created for you. To start your stream, you'll need to copy the stream key into your streaming software. You'll be able to adjust other stream settings like latency or closed captions with the Stream Settings tab. If you need help at any time while setting up your stream, click Stream Setup Help here in Live Control Room. If you've streamed before, after clicking Go Live, you'll automatically be led to the Stream tab. Here, you'll see your previous stream settings are automatically copied over to your Live Control Room dashboard. Click Edit to update any of your stream settings, like your title or description, or you can leave everything as is. Note that even after creating a new stream and filling in your stream settings, a watch page won't be created for your stream until you decide to actually go live from your encoder. That also means that notifications won't be sent and your stream won't show in subscriber feeds until you actually go live. Now, let's walk through the steps you need to take if you want to schedule a stream for later using streaming software. If it's your first time streaming this way, you'll first be led to create a new stream. You'll then be asked to add a title, choose your stream's privacy setting, add a description, choose a stream category, choose the date and time you want to schedule your stream for, add a thumbnail, and choose your audience setting. And if your channel is monetizing, you'll also be able to choose your stream's monetization settings. Once you add all this info, click Create Stream. You'll then be led to the Manage tab in Live Control Room. If you've streamed this way before, after clicking Go Live, navigate to the Manage tab in Live Control Room. From here, click Schedule Stream. You can choose to reuse your settings from a previous stream or click Create New to start from scratch. When you reuse your settings, we copy over the previous metadata, thumbnail, stream key, and all your other stream settings, including if you choose to auto start via streaming software in your last stream. After your stream is scheduled, you'll be led back to the Manage tab. From here, you can easily schedule more streams if you have multiple ones planned out. The Manage tab will show you all of your current and upcoming streams. From here, you can edit metadata or change stream settings at any time by clicking into your stream, which will lead you to the stream dashboard. Once you're ready to go live with your scheduled stream, you can click into it from the Manage tab, which will lead you to your stream dashboard. Once your encoder is set up, click Go Live once you're ready to begin streaming. Now that you know the different ways you can set up or edit your stream, let's walk through some additional features in Live Control Room that are available for all types of desktop streaming. You can moderate your stream's live chat from your stream's dashboard. When you click the chat menu icon, you can see the current list of chat participants, pop out the chat into its own window, and toggle timestamps. The Analytics tab in your stream's dashboard gives you real-time data from your stream, including the total number of concurrent viewers, chat rates, playbacks, and average watch time. This graph will show your concurrent viewers over time, but you can change this anytime to also see chat rate and playbacks. The Stream Health tab gives you a real-time status report of your stream. And if your channel has Super Chat enabled, the Viewer Activity tab will show a running list of people that have purchased Super Chats and Super Stickers during your live stream. Live Control Room also gives you the option to create stream highlights. You can do this by clicking this icon, where you can choose the part you want to create into a highlight and enter the highlight's name, privacy settings, and description. These highlights can help you share shorter, edited versions of your live stream while you're streaming. You can release the new highlight video right away, or you can add a marker to your stream to create a highlight via YouTube Studio Editor after you're done streaming. For more info on live streaming, check out these videos in the Help Center articles linked below. Thanks for watching.